everyone, and thank you for watching this video on things to know before making or buying a non-medical mask. This information is a summary of guidelines communicated to fashion industry designers from textile experts and researchers on most efficient way to produce non-medical masks before making them available to consumers. If you are interested to learn how to make a mask along these guidelines, please visit my channel to watch the next upcoming video that will show you an example of a mask to make at home. Please keep in mind that non-medical masks only reduce exposure to respiratory droplets when inhaling and exhaling, but do not block the virus. They are not to be used when caring for someone infected with COVID-19, nor inside a hospital or medical setting. They do not have any antimicrobial or antibacterial shields. You can use them while walking outdoors, shopping, or taking public transport. When choosing a fabric, make sure air flows in and out easily. Vinyl or leather fabric obstruct airflow, therefore cannot be used. The same goes for any thick fabric or one that has a protective water-repellent coating. Instead, choose a thinner, breathable fabric and use 2 or 3 layers. Always verify you can breathe through the layers. A material laced with heavy chemicals can be hazardous when you're breathing through it repeatedly. A cloth containing heavy dyes, additives, or glue could make you sick or infect your lungs. So stay away from fabrics that lose color when you wash them in hot water, or any fabrics that have glitter or other embellishments applied to them. Small particles naked to the eye will detach from the fabric when inhaled and travel directly to your lungs. Fibrous and fuzzy fabric should be avoided as well. Loose, hairy strands or dust they collect will come undone when inhaled. A woven, non-stretch material is recommended. Knit fabric and fabric with elasticity will create gaps through the filaments when expanded and will allow larger flow of droplets through these gaps. A tightly woven fabric will create a stronger barrier. Woven 100% cotton or a blend of cotton polyester are ideal choices. They're fabrics used to make shirts, bed sheets, and pillowcases. Note that the presence of spandex, lycra, or elastane in the blend will render the material less efficient. Launder your fabric in a washer and dryer to pre-shrink it prior to making the mask. Otherwise, the size of your mask will be much smaller after the first wash. A good mask covers the nose, cheeks, and chin areas properly without gaps. It should not sit too tight or too loose on the face. The ideal style is one with pleats on the sides that allows you to adjust the fit according to the shape and size of your face. Masks with vertical or horizontal seams are not recommended, as the needle stitching opens up holes in the fabric and allows free flow of particles. Non-medical masks are meant to be reusable, but their durability depends on many factors. A mask that stops fitting properly after several washes should be replaced. Finally, I'd like to remind you that the non-medical mask is not a fashion accessory, and your choice in purchasing or making one should not depend on the aesthetics of the item, but only on its efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the information useful. If you have any questions regarding the subject, please leave me your comments below. In my next video, I will show you the steps to make a non-medical mask following the guidelines listed. You can visit my channel or subscribe to be notified when it's posted. Until then, please stay safe.